Hey there everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to put Windows 10 Technical Preview on your virtual machine. Now if you don't know what a virtual machine is, it's basically a program that will host an operating system within your own operating system. So basically it's all confined, and any problems you have with that operating system won't affect your actual operating system. So it's kind of like operating system inception. Something along those lines. That was kind of a joke, but kind of dumb. Anyways, and also Windows 10, that's the new Microsoft released it recently. They didn't do Windows 9. A lot of people were kind of surprised by that. There's been some speculation whether it was because it's built on the same kernel as Windows 95 and 98, which wouldn't surprise me because, you know, it's Microsoft. But and the code would have conflicted and all this other speculation, but bottom line, they're calling it Windows 10. And now the technical preview is here so that we can test it and see if we like it or not. So let's get right into it. Alright, first of all, you're going to go to Oracle VM VirtualBox and download it and install it. I'll throw this link in the description below, but you just go to Downloads, and then most likely you're going to want the Windows version. Some of you may want to dual boot with Mac. I'm not sure. But for most people, it's going to be the Windows host download link right here. It's about 100 megabytes or so, not too bad. And then after that downloads, just install it. It's a real simple process. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go download the technical preview, which I'll throw this link in the description as well. All you'll do is scroll down to the bottom of the page. And most likely you're going to want English 64-bit, which is a 3.81 gigabyte download, which is kind of hefty, especially if you have bad internet like me. I mean, if you want the other versions, or if you speak Chinese or Portuguese, go for it. But most of my audience is going to get English 64-bit. So after that's done downloading, go ahead and open up Oracle VM VirtualBox. We're going to hit New. And then just go ahead and type in whatever name we're going to name ours Windows 10. And then on the type, just leave it Microsoft Windows. On the version, you're going to hit Windows 8.1 64-bit because this is basically what it's built off of. You'll have some other troubles if you try other Windows or Windows 2012. So your best bet just to try Windows 8.1. All right, go ahead and hit Next. And I already have a file called this, so I'm going to call this by its full name. There we are. Okay. We'll go ahead and choose our RAM, which I did 2 gigs before. It was kind of slow, so I'm going to do 4 gigs out of my total 8 gigs on my computer. Just go ahead and click Next. And then you're going to go ahead and create a virtual hard drive just to save all the files for your virtual machine. Just go ahead and do the defaults, the VirtualBox disk image. And then go ahead and just hit Next again. And then just keep hitting Next and create. Alright, so we've already started everything. Gonna go ahead and hit Start Now. And here is the wizard to set up. This is where you'll actually choose your operating system. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the Windows Technical Preview download. Just go ahead and click Start. I'll make this a little bigger for you guys. Alright, here we are. Just go ahead and go through the prompts, install now. And it'll go ahead and do the setup and everything. Okay, and on the setup, just go ahead and click I accept. Next, go ahead and do a custom install. And then you'll just do it on your virtual hard drive disk. And then it'll start installing. Alright guys, now we have successfully installed our operating system. Now we just need to go through the typical setup. If you want, you can do customize, but for the video, I'm going to go ahead and do use express settings. And then it'll go through. We'll go ahead and set up your account. Alright, we're going to go ahead and set up our account. And if you don't want to use your Microsoft or anything, just hit create new account. Actually, that is and then you can go to sign in without a Microsoft account. We can just create a local account. So we'll go ahead and name this Alex, just because. That's also my name, if you did not know. Okay, and here we are. Alright, and the first thing you'll probably notice is the start button is back. Fantastic. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video now. I'm actually gonna do another video describing the new features of Windows 10 so far, at least in this technical preview, and talk a little more about the operating system. But if you like what you saw, guys, it helped you out, you thought it was pretty cool, give us a like, maybe subscribe as well. We'll be coming out with a lot of new content, like I said. And thanks for watching. See you later.